Hello, hello, Fatty from Pack Punch Traders here. Gonna make a quick review, just to take away what my takeaways are for the last week. Just jump into it. Just a review of the last week. Not really any days that stand out. Just consistent everyday profits, taking my quick gains. 87% win rate, not bad. Definitely over traded. I don't like how I have an average of 3 trades a day. Not what I typically do. Still walked away profit. It worked out, but when I start over trading, that's when I start getting sloppy and taking losses, and this is not a good indication after a few months of really being disciplined with that. Now that that happened, but yeah, so let's just jump into it. Quick key takeaway: I'm trading besides this first green day here, or the first green day. Just one play from Friday into Monday. Besides this one play, everything I traded are plays that I know. I didn't get out of my comfort zone really. Just stuck to patterns I've tracked that I know that I have the data to, that I know how to play. Well, I just realized I need to fill these in. That's lazy of me. But excuse me. And taking my quick snipes as usual. Those are my takeaways right off the bat. Just looking at the spreadsheets here. Besides that, size-wise, as I said, really nothing spectacular. Just quick gains adding up. Even some of them not being spectacular profits. Just a couple in a day and they added up. Especially on this Friday here. Nothing great. 140, 15, 20. Just scalps. Nothing not how I trade. So a little disappointing finishing the week, especially with PHIO. Totally mistimed that. Was a perfect play. Had the right planning and everything mapped out in Twitter before it even happened. Was just getting in prematurely, just a little emotional. I was getting in as the shorts were packing in, and this is where I really should have been getting in when there was a failure to break down a higher low and volume starts picking up. Especially when you combine that with the daily, you got the hold of the 120 breakout level there. Next up, we got the 150 here area. Just set up beautifully, and I just failed to capture it. I took my quick gains here on small size. The small size was good because I did recognize it was choppy and kind of frustrating, but I saw it as a Friday short squeeze, and I was right. I just mistimed it. So that was unfortunate, but good lesson there with timing plays and being patient and letting them develop. I always talk about letting plays develop. This time I didn't, and I paid the price because I was annoyed with how this turned out. Took a break, took it off my radar, and come back, and this thing's taking off, doing what I want in the 170s, 180s, and then it keeps chopping up higher. So that was a little frustrating, but overall, I would say pretty good week. I can't complain. About 1,700 with over 85% win rate. That's solid. Couple losses here. I don't mind this one being over 5%. It was on small size. So nothing, you can really do there. Wait. Yeah. That's right. I'm not gonna jump into the plays because I make video lessons every single day going over the plays and what I trade. So just go into our YouTube the past week, you'll see it all. But I just wanted this video lesson to be a focus on what I did this week. I did trade smaller size, as we can see. I'll work on that because my confidence is there. As we can see, I'm able to be consistent, but I'm somehow having a hard time really sizing up. It kind of freaks me out. So nothing bad considering I'm still able to make money. We'll work on that. We'll get to it. But really happy that I was able to focus really on my plays and not get out of my comfort zone. Besides this one play on CLVS, we can get into that. Let's see. Last week, so last Thursday, we have this gap up and failure from this and solid push. Next day, we get pushed right back close to the highs of the candle here, um, getting over half of what it did, and not on a whole ton of buying. I thought shorts were still going to be trying to get out because there wasn't a whole ton of volume, so they had a hard time all getting out, is what I thought, considering how fat that volume bar was full of selling and how little the buying was. So, and assuming some of those buyers obviously aren't going to be just short covering, you got just actual buyers coming in too. So, yeah, got the gap up I wanted and the push that I wanted. Sold at 290. Let me get into the 10-minute here. So yeah, you get the gap up, push out the gate, failure, grinds back higher. I saw this pretty bullish, and next morning get the gap up. I was in at 250 right before the market, after hours closed. I get a solid gap up, try to stay patient. I get the solid burst right at the open. Selling the 290s, keeps going a little higher, gets choppy, and it did everything I talked about. You could check out the video lesson if you go back to this date. 401, April 1st. This the 4th. That's when it happened. I was entering it on that day, but I really go over it on that Monday. Just my thinking, just too much short sellers, really too many short sellers packed in from that first day. I think it's going to be a fake out breakout, and I did make a recent video lesson with a thumbnail saying beware. So if you check that out, that's going over red candle breakouts. So I did not think this was going to be a solid move, especially considering the float. So pretty good trading this week. Finished off a little iffy, but good week. Can't complain. Got to work on my size and being and cutting back on some trades. So letting plays develop and being more patient, so I'm not taking quick snipes and re-entering. That's really all it is with some of these plays. If you can see, they're all BFRI twice, SST twice, PHIO twice, LGVN twice, PLX twice. So I'm just kind of mistiming plays and getting back in. So got to work on that, just being more patient. That's really what the takeaway from that is. So yeah, we'll just wrap it up there. Hope everyone had a great week, and we'll just get ready for tomorrow, Monday, April 11th. I have a video lesson out as well, going over my top plays from the watch list in detail, what I'm thinking. So yeah, we'll just wrap it up there. Check out our Twitter at Pack-a-Punch Traders, posting watch lists and just informational tweets throughout the day and alerts. Tradecaster.com, we go live daily, putting up live trades. PHIO was a live trade that's also posted on YouTube, so check that video out as well. What else is there? What else is there? Oh, of course, like and subscribe to our channel here. Hope everyone found this beneficial, and I'll keep pumping out videos and material like this consistently, and we'll just wrap it up there. Hope everyone has a great night.